हेलो सोल फैमिली, कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज हम लोग ओरेकल ऑफ द फेरीज का फ्लिप थ्रू करेंगे और ये कैरन के ने बनाए हैं। और आर्टवर्क जिंजर केली का है और 44 कार्ड का डेक है। इसमें गाइड बुक भी आती है और ये डेक मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। और इसमें आप देखेंगे, जो अगर आप गाइड बुक नहीं भी पढ़े ना, तो कार्ड पे इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है कि आप इजीली कार्ड को इंटरप्रेट करके अपने इंट्यूशन के साथ बोल सकते हैं। और ये कार्ड मैं अपनी खुद की रीडिंग के लिए बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ। जब मुझे गाइडेंस चाहिए होती है तब मैं इन कार्ड्स को निकालती हूँ और बहुत ही एप्ट गाइडेंस मिलती है मुझे। तो चलिए इसका गाइड बुक देख लेते हैं। गाइड बुक में पहले तो कंटेंट्स दिए गए हैं और फिर एक इंडेक्स है जिसमें सारे कार्ड्स के मीनिंग्स दिए गए हैं। तो चलिए, इसमें ये भी बताया गया है कि कार्ड्स के साथ कैसे काम करना है। 3 कार्ड्स को लेके 7-8 कार्ड्स को लेके कैसे रीडिंग करनी है। फिर इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द कार्ड्स है। तो चलिए पहले कार्ड का इंटरप्रिटेशन पढ़ते हैं। पहला कार्ड है अबंडेंस। Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks you may have. In fairyland and human land, there is enough abundance for everyone. The arrival of this fairy tells you that abundance is on the way. Perhaps you will receive an unexpected gift or a cash windfall. It could also be a spiritual gift. Whichever form it takes, you just have to make sure that you are ready for it. Make sure you are in a place of receptivity, that you may believe and know you are worthy to receive any abundance. Work on this if you feel it could be an issue for you. By feeling truly worthy, we can be receptive to the flow and blessings of abundance in our lives. If you feel unworthy, ask yourself why and be honest in your answer. For this is the key to the door of abundance from the universe, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. Often, feeling of unworthiness can stem from childhood, and facing these feelings can sometimes be challenging and painful. Talking your feelings through with a trusted friend or a professional counselor could reap many rewards, shifting any negative views of yourself and of your worthiness to receive. Self-worth is the key here. The fairy of abundance says there's enough abundance in the universe for everyone, and you just have to make as much right to it as anyone else. So prepare yourself for incoming abundance and enjoy. तो इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन भी गाइड बुक का मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। इजी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड है, सिंपल इंग्लिश में लिखा गया है। तो आप पहले गाइड बुक एक बार पढ़ लीजिए कार्ड्स के साथ साथ और फिर अपनी रीडिंग्स करिए अगर आपको करना है। नहीं तो कार्ड्स को केवल पढ़ के आप रीडिंग कर सकते हैं, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू। मुझे लगता है कि अगर किसी डेक के साथ गाइड बुक आती है तो गाइड बुक पढ़ लेनी चाहिए एक बार। नेक्स्ट कार्ड पढ़ते हैं, कम टुगेदर। Fairies like to buy, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps get the job done. A group of fairies has come to show you that working as part of a team can make any task feel fun, and the time will fly by. What's more, a team of happy humans can be super productive. Teamwork can also be very rewarding and help each individual to feel valued and uplifted. We each have our own unique set of skills that we bring to the table, and combining this with the talents and abilities of others can form a mighty workforce indeed. Working together can be a bonding and supportive experience and also sets an example to individuals who have yet to join forces. It's also the foundation upon which communities are created. Perhaps you tend to work alone, either out of preference or necessity. This can be important for particular types of work, such as writing, but the fee wish to show you another way. Even when you work alone, you can call on your fairy friends to help inspire you, and this can help to get the work done completed. If you know someone who could do with a helping hand, reach out and let them know that you care and are there for them should they need you. People are funny beings and often feel shy about asking for help. So it's time for you to take the initiative, and that includes reaching out for help yourself if you need it. तो अच्छी गाइड बुक है. चलिए कार्ड्स देख लेते हैं एक एक करके क्या है कार्ड्स में. Manifestation. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on paper. Manifestation step 1. Magical gateway. It takes courage and trust to venture into the unknown. Yet this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. Transformation. This fairy tells you to surrender to a transformation in your life happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. Believe in magic. Open your eyes and see the magic that's all around in nature. The fairy of Northern Lights says you are part of nature, so you are magical too. Divination. Embrace your powers of divination, which are especially strong right now. You have the ability to see current situation with crystal clear clarity. Come together. Fairies like to be busy, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps get the job done. Celebration. Get ready to let your hair down and celebrate. It's time to go out and dance and play. An invitation could be on the way. Fairy spotting. It's time to go fairy spotting. It's said that seeing and believing. But in fact, the opposite is true. Believing is seeing. Wisdom. Have you ever been told that you're wise beyond your years? Now is the time to call upon your inner fairy wisdom to help you with the challenge. Wait for winter. During the colder months, the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest your most heartfelt wishes as long as your intentions are for the highest good. Journey. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you're ready when the time comes. Pack your passport now. Inspiration. Be prepared, as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any time. Wish wisely. Use your wishes wisely to manifest your heart's desire and take practical steps towards making your dreams come true. Hidden depths. Something hidden is about to come to light, perhaps a secret or memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we can become free. Look in a book. Whatever your questions right now, you'll find the answer in a book. The words you find will bring the insight you seek. Light. The fairy queen of light comes to shed love and light into your current situation. and to remind you that light can penetrate the darkness. Flourish. Lotus flower fairy tells you to learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life or those of others. Healing. Now is the time for you to give or receive healing. Everyone has a natural ability to heal others. Yes, even you. Find balance. Find the balance between your work, rest, and playtime. And you will have more energy, harmony, productivity in your life. Take a power nap. Friendship. Fairies and humans alike need friends. Now is the time to seek out those who will support and encourage you on your journey to fulfill your dreams. Life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that need to be healed. Moon energy. Surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. If you're feeling confused, this fairy comes to calm emotions and reassure you that peace of mind is possible. Tree wisdom. The tree dryad will help you navigate through your current situation. Her influence can reveal insights and answers through the sounds it makes. Motivation. When spring approaches, the flower fairies urge you to spring into action. If there's something you've been merely thinking about doing, they say get busy and do it. Temptation. Excuse me. Are you in denial about an unhealthy habit? Perhaps one that makes you feel guilty? This fairy says you have the power to overcome temptation, whatever it is. Stargazing. When you gaze at the star, you give yourself fairy focus. Your intuition will flow more freely and reveal what you need to know about your situation. Solitude. Think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet time. Purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it you will find the answer to your question. Lost and found. What was once lost is about to be found. Thanks to the lost and found fairy. Sometimes she can help us find things we never even realized we lost. Ask for help. Angels are celestial beings who protect everyone. And the fairies say now is the time for you to ask for angelic assistance. Inner child. The fairies of playfulness remind you to make time to embrace your inner child. Playing keeps us young at heart. Do something silly and fun, but be safe. Hope. Hope is always there, even if we can't see it. Optimistic expectations can help change a negative situation into a positive one. Abundance. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks you may have. In fairyland and human land, there is enough abundance for everybody. Precise time. The fairy of time wants you to experience every moment fully and to make the most of your precious time. Be mindful not to waste others' time either. Go outside. It's time to go outside. Tune into the powerful peace of nature wherever you are and feel at one with your habitat. Magical blessings. Whatever you're going through, you're being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. Moderation. Is there something you know you shouldn't be eating? Try to eat mindfully and healthy. Although the fairies say that a little bit of what you fancy is fine. Pure intention. The fairy of manifestation will help you to use your wishes wisely. Manifest your heart's desire with pure intention and for the highest good of all. Protection. The fairies of protection are shielding you with the magical fairy ring of love and light. Practice psychic protection before embarking on a spiritual journey. New beginnings. The fairy grandmother heralds the joyous news of new baby or the birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would a baby. Nature signs. Be receptive to the subtle messages from nature as you go about your day. Nature talks to us continuously. We need only open our hearts and minds. Music. Listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories, and charm fairies to your door. Shine from within. Looks are only skin deep. True beauty shines from within. And it's time for you to shine. This is the time for self acceptance and for revealing your true beauty. Protect your dreams. You are the guardian of your precious dreams, and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you're ready to release them. तो कार्ड्स हमने सारे देख लिए हैं. ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड है, कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है. कार्ड सारे इंग्लिश में हैं, गाइड बुक भी इंग्लिश में है. तो अगर आपको हिंदी आती है या इंग्लिश पढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो थोड़ा इशू हो सकता है आपको. कार्ड्स बिगनर फ्रेंडली हैं. एक बार आप गाइड बुक पढ़ लेंगे तो आपको इजीली कार्ड्स के मतलब पता चल जाएंगे. गाइड बुक पढ़ के आप इजीली मैसेजेस भी दे सकते हैं कार्ड्स के अपने क्लाइंट्स को या अपनी पर्सनल रीडिंग्स के लिए. तो ये था आज का रिव्यू और मैं जल्दी मिलूंगी अगले रिव्यू के साथ. तब तक टेक केयर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, बी हैप्पी.